Hi people, my name is Borro Dante and today we're painting the possessed banana. Oh yeah, baby. How do I make you possessed? Like, how? Okay, so I think this is going to be a little bit of a series that I'm gonna revisit now and then when I will be painting all kinds of stuff possessed. So let's do that. Let me shape up this sphere into banana at first and then I'll decide how to make it possessed. Okay, so this is the basic shape of the naked banana. Now, the whole possession is gonna happen in the face that will be inside of the core, but he also has to have kind of weird, scary limbs. And for that we're gonna use his peel. Now, I think obviously the tip part should be intact right in front. I think we're all understanding this, okay? Now, oh cool, I can rotate camera with my finger. I didn't know that. Oh dear lord, what is that? That's too much, even for a possessed banana. There we go. Okay, now for the legs. Kind of like that. And these are like hands. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut him like in the middle. Okay, based on this layout, he's kind of crawling forward. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. That's better. I can't make that British sound. Better. That's better. Okay, now the dangerous hands. I think they should go like from the top and into front, but kind of like in a cool way, so he would look really dangerous. That's pretty epic. Like demonic veins that are opening his inner dark side. Well, this is turning out to be a pretty awesome banana. Now for the face. There are a couple of ways to go around the face. On one hand, we could go like face in here, but that's kinda lame. Plus, he would be looking down. The other way is to draw the face like here, but that'll be a super tiny face. Also stupid. What I've just came up with is to make a banana split. Now, how do I do that? Okay, this is a dolphin. This is not what I was going for. Dolphin banana. Oh my god. This is going to look so disgusting right now. I am so waiting for it. Yes, genius, disgusting, and beautiful. This is going way too well. I wonder how I will ruin it. It's like it merged with Alien or something. Or Venom. Venom banana. Okay, finally eyes. Underneath the very thick eyebrow, so we would know that he's serious, like my eyebrows, because I'm like dead serious always. Oh my god, that is just disturbing. I wonder if there's like an old trashy horror movie about bananas. Well, I'm gonna say there is a few. Okay, moving to painting. Now, I think this banana is supposed to be like in the fridge, because bananas hate refrigerators. There are two things that can happen if you put a banana into the refrigerator. First, it may get possessed. Second, it may turn black. I once put a banana into a refrigerator for about a week, and after that I found myself eating a completely black banana. True story. So yeah, this banana was really upset that he was put into the refrigerator and now he is all going crazy. So let's do that. So the basic idea is that he is inside a refrigerator and someone carelessly decided to open the door and there he is. All gross. And his teeth are red because apparently he ate a tomato or something, I don't know. See, horror is not that scary when you explain it. Nothing scary about it. There's nothing wrong with me, doctor. Now, a little bit of diabolic light from the side, just to highlight the character. This looks pretty awesome, I love this dude. Okay, this is kinda weird, but he looks tasty to me, I would eat that. He's like made of dough. I remember when I was a kid, when my mom was baking something, she was making a dough, and the dough was so delicious. It was with vanilla and sugar. This dude looks as tasty as the dough, although he's obviously seen quite a few ovens in his life. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Well, I'm gonna call it done. This is another beautiful creature that could only happen on my channel. It's gorgeous. I feel like I already made this world a lot better by bringing in this representation of what beauty is. So yeah, you're welcome. Well, yep. This is the kind of shit I usually paint, only kinda worse. So this is a possessed banana. Thanks for watching if you did. I guess you did if you're here. Leave a like and subscribe, tell a friend, kill a hooker, do whatever you want. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!